Disclaimer: the material published on this channel is intended for general information only and is not legal advice or other professional advice. Any opinions expressed in this material only for the purpose of the general information and owner's personal opinion that is not effective in any court of law. Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem created history by becoming the first athlete from his country to win gold at the Paris Olympics 2024. Paris Olympics 2024, Arshad Nadeem gold medalist and Neeraj Chopra second position silver medalist both are from Punjab, East and West Punjab. Same land same soil but two different borders. Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem created history by becoming the first athlete from his country to win an Olympic gold medal. The 27-year-old broke the men's javelin Olympic record signed 100 years with his 92.97 meters attempt. It was a massive moment. This was the first time in the history of the Olympics that Asian athletes claimed the top two podium positions, but the connection between Nadeem and Neeraj goes way back. Both of them have been competing against each other for quite some time and at the World Championships 2023. Over the years, both of them have expressed their appreciation for each other and Neeraj even voiced his support for Nadeem when he needed a new javelin for practice. Nadeem won the Commonwealth Games 2022 gold medal with a 90.18 meters throw, but his preparations for the Olympics were hampered as he did not have an international standard javelin. He said that he has been using one for the past 7 to 8 years and asked for help from the government. It has now got to a stage where the javelin is damaged and I have asked the National Federation and my coach to do something about it before the Paris Olympics, Nadeem said. When I started off in 2015, competing in international events, I got this javelin. For an international athlete aiming to win a medal in the Olympic Games, you need proper equipment and training facilities, the athlete from Pakistan added. Neeraj extended his support for Nadeem after hearing about his concerns and urged the Pakistan government, javelin makers and other sponsors to support him in his journey. It is hard to believe that he has been struggling to get a new javelin. Given his credentials, this should not be a big issue at all, Neeraj told Sai Media in an interaction. It can't be that he, Arshad, doesn't have the means to buy a javelin. He's a champion and must be doing some brand endorsements. I reckon he has earned a bit of money too. But having said that, his government can look at Arshad's needs and support him just like how my government is doing so. Additionally, Arshad is a top javelin thrower and I believe that the javelin makers will be more than happy to sponsor him and provide what he wants. This is a piece of advice from my side, he added. In taking gold, the javelin thrower became his country's first medalist since 1992, when it won a bronze medal in men's hockey in Barcelona. With his record-breaking throw, he became only the fourth athlete to cross the 90 meters mark in the men's javelin at the Olympic Games. The 27-year-old, who finished fifth in Tokyo with a throw of 84.62 meters and won silver at the World Championships in 2023, already held the honor of being the first Pakistani to qualify for the final of any track and field event in the history of the Olympics. Once a promising cricketer, he abandoned the sport after taking up the javelin, describing the decision as the best thing that happened to me. I wouldn't be in the Olympics otherwise, he said before the Games. I know I have a natural talent for athletics and I'm grateful, but being a non-cricket athlete in Pakistan has challenges, like not getting the required resources and facilities. Nadeem has spoken before about his difficult journey to the Olympics, saying he had reached the top of the sport with no access to state-of-art grounds or training facilities. He has also used his platform to call for more funding for track and field athletes in Pakistan, saying, in this day and age, you have to provide world-class facilities to develop athletes as the competition is getting tougher and tougher. You can't produce another Arshad without giving them those facilities. In qualifying, Nadeem had recorded an 86.59 meters throw on his first attempt to hit the direct qualification mark of 84 meters. But Chopra went even further, launching a monster throw of 89.34 meters on his first attempt. It gives me immense joy that there are only two of us from South Asia, myself and Neeraj Bhai, brother, who are performing on the world stage, said Nadeem. I hope that we continue to perform for our respective countries and make the names of our countries shine bright globally. Soon after his victory, the plaudits for the new Olympian champion began in earnest, with education rights campaign Malala Yousafzai leading the charge. Congratulations, Arshad Nadeem, she wrote on the social media platform X. You made history and will continue to be a champion and legend, inspiring young Pakistanis to believe in their dreams. Neeraj Nadeem friendship. The India-Pakistan duo's friendship began 6 years ago, when a heartwarming picture of the two had gone viral on social media after Neeraj and Nadeem finished 1-3 on the podium. With years passed by, the friendship grew stronger, and in 2023, they were back together in the men's javelin draw and the duo finished 1-2 with a difference of just 0.35 meters between their best attempts. In that event, Neeraj took the gold, and Arshad bagged the silver. Similarly, in Paris Olympics, Arshad clinched the gold, while Neeraj picked the silver medal. Even Neeraj's mother, while speaking to ANI, had said, "We are very happy. For us, silver is also equal to gold. The one who got the gold, Arshad, is also like our son."